Mistus SVIA.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 103.
I missed it.
Until 10 p.m.
Was at school.
This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Knox, Marshall, Putnam, and Stark. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The current time is 4:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
If you guys are wondering, the current time header that is used on WXJ71 is only used during severe weather, so that while you're sleeping you can know what time it is. So for the warning expiring, because yeah, so that's why they don't use it during good weather, which is. And also earlier today there was another live broadcast segment on WXK24 because of routine maintenance. This happens every few months, so seeing if you guys are wondering there. Thank you guys for watching. And again, this is a missed EAS. See, the watch light is on. It's not on any of my other radios because this watch is for Marshall County, 2 counties up north, and so just thanks for watching.